How do antioxidants work? Mark's Daily Apple. You've surely heard that some foods, like berries and wine, should be consumed because they contain antioxidants, as if you needed an excuse. Your cells are fighting a never-ending battle against free radical damage as long as you're a breathing, living being moving through the globe. Reactive oxygen species, ROS, and reactive nitrogen species, ARNs, are examples of free radicals. These molecules cause oxidation, DNA damage, protein alteration, and, in the worst-case scenario, cell death. Therefore, it is impossible to avoid them. Free radicals are common waste products of cellular metabolism and exercise. You also produce free radicals as a result of exposure to radiation, smoking, and ongoing environmental pollution. You would be in serious trouble if your body didn't have a way to deal with these marauders. Antioxidants, however, are a solution provided by nature. Perhaps the impressive antioxidant promises of a bottle of expensive dietary supplements convinced you to buy it. But what exactly are antioxidants, and what benefit do they actually provide? Why are antioxidants important? In the fight against free radicals, antioxidants act as a powerful initial line of defense by preventing their creation and neutralizing their effects. These tricky tiny molecules are called free radicals. On the one hand, they cause the body to experience oxidative stress or damage. Oxidative stress that is too high accelerates aging and probably causes all chronic illnesses. The risky information is that mild oxidative stress is hermetic, which means it causes beneficial diversifications that increase your strength, well-being, and resistance to stress in the future. Maintaining the proper stability is the trick. Antioxidants are present in that environment. Antioxidants are in charge of maintaining the proper level of free radicals in the body, a process known as redox homeostasis. Antioxidants are thought to work primarily by giving free radicals electrons, which renders them significantly less reactive and destructive. More recently, scientists have also theorized that they might exert their effects in alternative ways, as via acting on the microbiome or epigenome. At the same time, oxidative stress is beneficial, even necessary, in the right amounts. In actuality, a mild oxidative stress is of course the best for the body. Different antioxidant types and where to find them. Your body naturally produces some antioxidants. You've probably heard of the endogenous antioxidants glutathione and uric acid. The antioxidant capabilities of melatonin are also very powerful. The majority, though, come from meals. The majority of the credit for having high antioxidant content goes to colorful plant foods, but as you'll see, nutrient-dense animal foods also play a role in this. Nutritional vitamins, minerals, and the many noids listed below are antioxidants found in food. Vitamins and minerals with antioxidant properties. Antioxidant vitamins include vitamin A, retinol, vitamin C, ascorbic acid, ascorbate, and vitamin E, tocopherols, tocotrienols. The finest food sources of vitamin A are items derived from animals, such as eggs, salmon, offal, and dairy. The best sources of vitamin C are fruits and vegetables, notably red bell peppers, citrus fruits, and guava, while the best sources of vitamin E are nuts and seeds. Certain minerals are also praised for their antioxidant abilities, acting immediately as antioxidants or as cofactors for enzyme activities that protect against free radical damage. They incorporate manganese, iron, selenium, copper, zinc, and zinc. Concentrate on seafood, nuts and seeds, and organ meats to add more of those tinier nutrients to your diet. Flavonoids. The majority of flowering plants contain polyphenol pigment molecules called flavonoids, also referred to as bioflavonoids. They are typically categorized beneath phenolics, proanthocyanins, and anthocyanidins. Research has linked flavonoids to a wide range of important health benefits, such as being anti-inflammatory and protecting against diseases including cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. These effects are most likely caused, at least in part, by their antioxidant properties and ability to chelate, bind to, metals that could reduce free radicals. Additionally, flavonoid antioxidants pack a double punch since they boost vitamin C's antioxidant activities. Learn about flavonoids in fruits and vegetables, tea, and cacao, a good reason to consume more dark chocolate. Carotenoids. Another type of polyphenol pigment are carotenoids. Although lutein, zeaxanthin, and lycopene are among the many other carotenes found in the human diet, beta-carotene is the one that has been the subject of the most research. Beta-carotene is one of several carotenoids that can convert to vitamin A. Carotenoids are responsible for the hues of colorful vegetables and fruit, especially those that are red, yellow, and orange. Eat egg yolks for lutein and avoid eating omelets with egg whites. Oxidizing enzymes. Superoxide dismutase, SOD, catalase, CAT, and glutathione peroxidase, GPX, are the antioxidant enzymes. Though their activities are closely related, the latter shouldn't be confused with glutathione. Glutathione, often known as the GRASP antioxidant, is a crucial antioxidant. These enzymes can be found in large quantities in primal foods like dark leafy greens and cruciferous vegetables, just like the other antioxidants. Importantly, the aforementioned mineral cofactors collaborate with antioxidant enzymes. As a result, you shouldn't overlook them. Do you want a lot of antioxidants? It's possible that it's impossible to accurately gauge how many antioxidants you consume each day. Focusing on ingesting a variety of nutrient-dense foods, such as oysters, organ meats, egg yolks, dark leafy greens, and cruciferous vegetables, is a better strategy. Add a few Brazil nuts for selenium, but don't add too much. Add additional vegetables for color. You're right if it seems like I'm discussing the Primal Blueprint Meals Pyramid. That's no coincidence, either. If you eat as nature intended, you easily obtain the ideal balance of vitamins and enzymes. If you're interested in tracking your meals, it actually doesn't hurt to keep track of your intake of the antioxidant vitamins and minerals specified below. Make sure you're frequently hitting the RDA. Choosy eaters might also think about taking antioxidant supplements, but this approach is surprisingly divisive. In any event, it's advisable to purchase your vitamins pre-packaged with their complete meal matrix. You can never get enough antioxidants from whole foods, and you also get all the other beneficial nutrients that go along with them, such as various vitamins, fermentable fiber for your gut microorganisms, amino acids, and healthy fat. For more information, please click on the link on the description of Dr. Healthy Living. Thank you.